Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark from template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create a video using the CapCut template. Then I'm going to show you how I can remove the CapCut watermark from the template. Wait, I'm going to go to the templates menu. Okay, and I'm going to pick a random template. For example, I'm just going to select maybe this one guys. Okay, and I'm going to replace the photos in the template with my own photo. I'm going to click on use template and then I'm going to select the photo from my gallery. Wait, for example, I'm going to select this folder. Okay, I'm just going to pick the photos. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. Alright, and before we save this video, we can edit the video. We can change the text and also change the audio. If you want to change the audio, just go to the audio menu. Okay, and you can also change the sticker in this template. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how we can export the video without the watermark. So if you want to export the video, you can click on the export menu. Okay, and you have to choose export without watermark, this one. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and after the video has been saved to my device, I'm going to show you how the video looks like. I'm going to show you that the watermark has been already removed from the CapCut template. Okay, and now it's done guys. And then I'm going to go to my gallery. I'm going to go to my gallery and then I'm going to show you the final result. As you can see that there is no watermark in my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark from template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.